Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by killing power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, remove the fairing or switch housings that block access. Use the 8mm wrench and screwdrivers. You want clear sight of the throttle tube and the heated grip wiring near the bars. Make sure to photograph connector positions now because similar plugs look alike. This first step prevents accidental damage and keeps wiring organized, so you can confidently move to removing the grips themselves. You now focus on separating the heated grip from the throttle tube. Loosen the throttle side first so you don't affect throttle play. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to soften glue. Alternatively, inject a little isopropyl to break adhesive bond, then twist and slide the grip off. Route the wiring back through the bars slowly, following the original path. Label each connector as you go. Doing this preserves throttle geometry and prevents pinched wires, which could cause intermittent faults later. Finish by unplugging the heated grip connectors and removing any inline resistors or switches. You should insulate exposed wires with tape or heat shrink and secure them with zip ties away from moving parts. Reinstall switch housings and fairings, then reconnect the battery and test throttle free play and overall electrical function. Make sure nothing binds. If something goes wrong, power still present or a short, you must recheck the battery disconnect and ground connections. Then inspect for a missed feed or chafed conductor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.